Hey guys, sorry that I didn't get a chance to explain reading 2 yesterday because we finished so quickly. So I had a couple of questions and I thought maybe it'd be easier to make a little video so that you understood what to do. So under assignments, under reading number 2, your assignment this week is to sort of investigate and take some notes. So you can choose Kentucky or Ohio. I use Kentucky most often because that's what I'm experienced with. So I have Kentucky open down here. Let's see. Yep. All right, so when you open the document, throughout the document there's going to be little boxes that are in red, and those are the boxes that you're going to need to fill out. You can either do one of two things. You can print it and handwrite it, or you can type right in here and print it once you've typed into it. Either way is fine. You're going to bring a copy to class and you're going to submit a copy on Canvas just so that I can give you credit for doing it. So if you handwrite it, all you have to do is sort of take a picture with your phone or something and upload it on Canvas so that I can see that you did it. I don't need to see the details of what you wrote. I just want to see that you attempted the assignment. Or you can type it in, however it's easiest for you to hand it in. It's fine with me. But you do want to hand it in. You do want to bring one to class. All right, on here, you're going to use this link, Parent Center Hub, and it's going to open up here. I'll just restart it. Okay, so it's going to open up here. You're going to go down to the part that says a closer look at each IEP component. You're going to use this section to help you with your notes. So the very first section talks about present levels, and you will put here what goes here, present levels. This section is all about present levels and what information goes there. You can look here at what information should go there, or you can use just this general summary if you'd like, and just copy and paste that there, and that can work too. Okay, I do want you to get a little bit familiar about what is needed, so I want you to at least check out what is written here, but for purposes of notes, you can just use the summary. So you sort of do each of that. There's the annual goals, that's what your annual goals need. It looks like the next section is, annual goals and benchmarks. So annual goals and benchmarks go there. So that's that. On the bottom of page 4, or on the Ohio one, it's on a different page. But when we're talking about accommodations, you're going to have to fill out this part. In order to receive accommodations, what's required? And that is what this bottom part of the reading notes mean. So you need to use this document for that section of the notes. This document will open up here, and it says right here, okay, this document will help you with the bottom of page 4. The information that I'm looking for is in blue. So when you open up this article, go to the bottom of page 7, and the information is blue. So these are the things that I'm looking for you to put right here in there, okay? So you're going to use sort of 2 different things to help you complete the notes. You're going to use this web page, and you're going to use this document. And then ultimately you will take your notes, print them out, submit it here on Canvas, and then bring it to class. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm always here to help. Otherwise, I'll see you in class Tuesday.